Okay, this is the second day that I've had this installed in my pond. You can clearly see the air plate down on the bottom. The water is clearing up. I can basically see the shelf all the way around the bottom of the pond. Skimmer's working fine. But let's see if I can really get a good shot of that plate down there. Not sure how good this is going to come out. But remember, the bottom really looked murky before. So I can already tell that there is a difference with the water being able to circulate on the bottom, forcing all of the algae and particles up, which enters into the filter. So what I want to do is try to get as much of the muck or the settlement out of the pond as I can before I turn off the waterfall. I'm going to be digging up all of the plants and everything next week, but this is about this aeration device called the AirMax Koi Air 1. And so far, I'm happy with what I see in just 24 hours. So this is after the installation, and we'll keep checking back to see how much clearer I can actually get this pond water before I shut everything down. Thanks for watching.